dear the member na kasa.
Ye no ye ntumi nkyerɛ bet ye de ye ni hwɛ pɛtɛtakro ma ye hu sɛ bona wo hye ye nse obekere ode plan beba na ode akɛ areas na furu a waye din ɛwɔ ɛno no ho no obeka nsɛm we na sɛ Ghana fo nya tum sɛ ampa watua ye nka na wo ye din ɛwɔ areas no ho a ye betimi aba be kyerɛ ye nsɛm a obi ka na sɛ wo sɛ you go explain taya ye be kyerɛ ma Ghana fo ngie ni na akɔyɛ sɛ areas na kam
Enti na just akoba say wo mo amobo obosia kakra wo mo ko ha dan nom ne ade no ono gina ko so say masa ye tua ka fam sika ma me
abanye tua ka nti fam sika ma me
ti ase mum na mum pese mo de o musika be ma o mo
areho sem ba ko wo so no say ye ko ha dan ya fi ni December ye mu dodo na rent aso fie wurafo ejira ye nkon say wo say ye tua rent
asembe ko
say bo so me dia ye tua utilities na me ka chiro se me yankasa na me ho mfa me nyankopon na di mi ho afo fin ka ye diagnose me with ulcer
ya ye kom de o
ye minia emunya betesa susu ampa se wako handan obi kuro so afini na yinti awka
eji o region be na do ko e
ba cho de me ba abono me wosunya na teaching hospital
free ho
me a me kuro me ye bono east pechiman
okay ene do ko ho no mo
yes
eji wa ha dan osunyan
me a ma handan wo ha
eji ba cho o light be no water be we ye na utia
me ya bosia opon bosia sisi akwa me no ka say MTN quick loan medical ho
o de ka MTN quick loan
medical me side and afofo bi ka
eji we ye na odidi
bosia na nti onya kakra efi obi ho a na wo manage but say kra no chese mo ye den say ministry no de ba say o motia ye nkanti wo pe bibi efi obi ho kra na no nso akoye Boakye bidin
it's 300 no mo de 1 month no mo nya ne de o mo de o masem de anya kra o
emu eya pa minia na our who Samson is a financial clearance no mo de time ya chire no o mo chire say e be expire 31st of December into say halfway yam form one to pay rules na expiration no clearance na yi bisa ye ho say o mo koye ana o mo bae
asembe krani na ma ben kwamra mitakara na o mpeso obehia mo
minia ya try be 2 weeks ni say no mo be di hia na ye hwa ni mu say na wotwe mu de yenko ba kan Ghana registered nurse Samedo association aboya no ho ba say o mbe fa kwan bi sina ne aso ye na di nkomo na ya se bibi pa be free ma ba
asembe krani Ghana pa I don't know how to call this. Say SCCO, say Boapayo, say Sika na eni o man ni mu ana aban ni niska na ase dey. Mo dodo ya say.
Yeah, na ya affected no 6,271.
6,271.
Pepe.
But on the pay slip no, how much are you supposed to be paid a month?
I don't know. It depends on the category of nurse or midwife you are.
If I'm saying from the highest and the lowest.
Yes, your enrolled nurses or staff nurses, your nursing officers, midwifery officers, and our community health nurses.
Eti there or your nurse ankasa no. Staff nurse ne midwifery eti omo ka say.
Oh, men fan say approximately around 3,000.
3,000.
I fit the boom crampona a new minister be bosomia ketia.
Oh, the fan said 3,000. And I do ojeke to akra be say.
Nurse ni bit meji as low as 2,000.
Okay. It's not just nka say omode mo 12 months ne mama ka mo be 30,000 shemo ho.
Men kanu sa.
Ka mo betimi ya ye niam bebre tete mo ho aka ye ama bi kura so abusua.
Isa ananka be kanu.
Mame mbuso ti eba say ya wo mame no papa no sa no. Eya wo from so niska ya de asem no mka kire mo.
Nana farenti untime kura mfro ase ofra na say they are disappointed abambu aba esan se omun sajene so mo ahwe wo school mfie miensa mfie na mfie mienu na wawi abetena fie abeye burden na mo na wabenya adwuma na wo san adan wo mo edu ba bi mpa na ye ni wu
Steven, I mean for see ebe ko so a pinche ministry na ya koso aka akopem say almost so di ose ebe yo why
le ba jo ma ti di house ya mama so nsi wo ho
that's it yaw o dey say wo health ni muntina bibi say yaw ya
say me ma ye adwuma wo hospital pan me wo UK no na mpesa me call nursing school no na omuti name me as a healthcare assistant na yen on say before men when you men can be before kora Ghana ankasa na ye apom de ho asem no
enche da hia
nti wo masem na hia me wanwa vi say Bob Marley can say a hungry man is
an angry man
na obi o ko hospital akwa yarefo onu mu
ko ya jame ne save no ko nyanya o saw
e kom na de no ti uti aye na o say
na ya re wo say ram di bia
CD e ko o mu di adwuma say nyenye wo mu
enye o mu o
nti no yemfa bi saa na emom aban no oni hu adwuma
me who the excuse the government can give. And the annoyance is even to come out and say what to your muka. When you know say what to your 1 month, then you make a general statement say all nurses arrears have been cleared. The moment you say that, aka 11 months, Minister Ben or Ghana Hande, MP Ben, Director of a ministry Ben. Abai juma ye ni ben na ne ho no teacher ni na say ya chese wonya ye adwuma no na usika no bekamu a ase omo ma wo sa bulk money na ye omo ya o because we also tie obi aka about 30,000 any ya o so obenya anka bosome na o say o tisika bumi mo obi na ye o ya but sika na nya o de o ya me na ma ye adwuma oh esisie say o enkwala no ekoye honho a osoro etio oduma yeni akati ase no usisi obi a ne sika ne mra so se wo se wo mane didie he obi ho no ma o ye nurse o wo bawo obi ha ware ni kru de ne hu sika nyina ne ma ne call nurse wa be ye se bi otosom wa be ye a burden on the husband be ma ne hu kru ana ne bofu
se me mo makonta bi a wa ne ba call nurse only say for 3 years. According to fees.
We may be 4 years. A bit 3. I feel no manya juma. 3 years. Now call to fear penny say so bedidi. As me say last week Wednesday, mommy be free. The woman was crying like a baby. Ne ba 4 years ni impost to no. Or sit say the obey be a dia boa ne ba no oba. E do maybe an we ya na common part the crown. Quickly, I mean, how can a government? Your mama, this resetting is not resetting.
Speak of
this resetting of nurses is not resetting at all. Debut, Nano Credit Yan say, Yen or Ghana Hanan quality good montin so. Above about credit D, a minister tema, Yen Aqua Cassetiano or Bepacho, Emma a Ghana registered nurses and midwife crack as on common suspending. And my own minister crab a cabby man. Deputy Minister Pim Dako, which in a simple so Ghana now say my baby and the government is going to capture everything. Now my arrangement cabinet amamo quine say Munfa Quine Fasuna Munti or Muka. Now Mun clear arrest no. Muka check what answer 1 month. Mudi salary member omo. Now my payment plan ama omo. What the salary now omo we are near 16th. No payment plan. I finish to cry we clearance and the another say a chem. Now communist inferior taxes ben na money kwala ye no. As a kind of sit be ambu hua o si money clearance. I feel na mo sa copper clearance ama omo. Eti muntu nti omo ka.
No man wo mo so we wo would do nim bagie no.
What kind of cock and boo system they say? Yeah, in the future life from come up, didn't come up, and go baby.
Same wo mo no. Ayana
yes,
before Ankasa, oh, the boy, memo, and Yamekora Wabre. They already have said, wɔde yɛn nkwa akyɛ yɛn wotie yɛ ɔfa ase yɛ bɛ yɛ nua yɛ a asɛm a ɔka ɔsɛ wayare ya nyame na di ne ho afɔfi ɔsa otie yɛ ne a ɔmmra future life deɛ yɛ wɔ aduane ɛna no pɛyi awurade de da foforɔ akyɛ yɛn nti mo mu yɛ ne nye ne ahurisie ɛwɔ mu nsansam ne bebree deɛ wode gu tiri mu a ɛno abɛsɛ akum
Omanhene, even teachers are also warming up to demonstrate heavily because we were also paid 1 month of our 11-month salary. A teacher for also, they say, I just say, I know.
Teacher for also the woman there.
Almost so my partner, demonstration. Come did it.
Say, why you open the Unyana, dear Koran, what to Makwasa demonstration. Now, me more who say, Wapum didn't want some dear many young. And not yet the auto Abama no. Ɛyɛ wan kasa nkasa ɛnyɛ deɛ woto abama no ɛyɛ wan kasa nkasa ɛno nti bo apom de ne ho ban ɛbrɛ dodo a wodi aduane papa aduane ba ko mɛkamfo ama wo ɛyɛ wo future ɛyɛ wo life daakye wo nkwa ɛna wo bɔ ho ban daakye wo nkwa ɛna wo bɔ ho ban aduane din nie ɛyɛ future life sania odi deɛ odi aduro ba wiase the author of medicine wɔkaayɛ no wɔse let your food be your medicine ma waduane enye woduro let your food be your medicine ma waduane enye woduro ma waduane enye woduro eno na beboa wo na aduane ba ko pa obedi e beboa wo eye future life eno na beboa wo bobo da akere ho ban sane e be ya enkofa yade bia emre wo yare yenti ena me kamfo future life de ama wo yare ya te me kamfo future life de ama on say didi na bra wudie no ebe pam ne ma afiri wo ho na ababusa say future life ye den natural food supplement natural tie ni ye natural food supplement biamfa bibia mfra mu eno nti ebra wudie no obemen antioxidant esay immune booster ebe pam ne ma boni afiri widie no mu na say gina so yani a brane a entimi ma bibia infrabonten emewura owidie ni mo ekura 23 vitamins and minerals 19 amino acids omega 3 selenium modular inulin dietary fiber high in protein enti aye all inclusive food say bibia wom enei de mekamfo ne say obebia wafa ye fono aduane esese odi ebeboa wo future life obaya wafa ye fono aduane a wudi ebeboa wo future life daache wonkwa enesese wo bo ho ban eno de obi adi enne me kamfo ma obebia wafa ye fono pregnant woman wonyemo a the future life akopem so obewo ahoɔden ade bo wo no so ate a ene ye koye OCS na me ka kire wo se wudi future life de a obetima wo no wa biem obotima awo no wawo biem eno na me kamfo de ama wo future life na egu ahodo ye won original ye won high protein ye won zero ene ye wo ne repair ene ye wo ne beauty now the life tonic nso aka ho ti me tira wo se anuane na wudie no ebeboa wan kasa intimate na se emma future life no enko obi adi bi ene mfie bi a wadi bia nso ye wo ho aduane a ye de bema wo ye future life daache wonkwa ene sese wo bo ho ban ye future life daache wonkwa ene sese wo bo ho ban future life necessary wo bo ho ban ene beboa wo ti ade na wo twan abere sese wudidie na wadi aduane papa se every day my kwanse ye mo yade edin ye de enim say aduane ne ye ton na de make kire on say dibi anopa awia na odi ukuro moduane anwumre na wadi future life o koda no anom life tonic na nei sane de bia me ka kire Omanhene no me se oni ya bibifo eye ganafo educhi a motena se na mo sori a emu nwotwe de obi ade nsa besi ne na so wodi nsa si ni kotodwe so na wasore na wodi nsa si ni kotodwe so na wasore na wodi nsa si ni kotodwe so na wasore o se wo na no o se wo na no aduane nwanwa so ba ko pe na sesem de ma wo eno na wudi a ebobo da ache ho ban eno nte hwe akiri kwa na di repair food ye friend repair food say aduane no ni din de repair eba ma won kasa ni gregreu ene waposo na ewewe no a wokwa de bia mami bi oba mo no wose ma no painkiller mi ntimi na o me se ma me o se wo se na ma ye dan de be si bi ensi cause me bra dodo me bra na me mo aduane ni eye aduane enye painkiller me se ma me painkiller wo nom no de eno abekun wo wasa se ni me wu ana mekọ na afi de ma bra ye hunu de ye mfa nye ti no anse wo nom painkiller yi saa ade na wo nom painkiller bebrebe saa adan na no kura painkiller natural one kura wo ho me hunu yen na se ma me wo yi obai enka no anse wo nkwan wa ma kekeduru atim no ana se wa bobo akekeduru so na de nsu agu eho wo de agu ade mu wanoa ehura fa so non sane awo no nsuo no enye katwonete na aye we bosomi a all inflammation is disappeared intino ahunhunu bi apagya e de hawo bre wono ni nyina kọ akekeduro ye duro enso ompe de ye kukuru ne de yakọ pharmacy shop ya nane ni ema bi na afra na okọ na edi udwuma de a ho de wa wasemwa me kire wo se bra na ma future life repair food na be di na me se wo kwa no anam life tonic me se wo kwa no anam life tonic ye dudo no enua bra mako duonu nwotwe aha de forest de mo de aye galam se baby forest de enua no wom ene ye twa the largest forest in Africa wo Congo, the largest forest in Africa nti mframa ye ho me fen e ho ne fire ye de papa bi anim enu nti ena ye kamfo ama wo say wo hia life tonic de acha wo hu bia wo hia life tonic bibi bia de edi dwuma wo wi de mo enkoyie wo hia life tonic na tie ni ye na frɛ yɛn frɛ sɛ yade no dɔɔso na FDA ma yɛ kwanse yɛ mo yade yɛ diri ntino yɛ de yɛ ba akopɛ ne sɛ wo de yɛ brabe di aduane no future life yɛ wɔ original yɛ wɔ ne zero yɛ wɔ ne high protein yɛ wɔ no repair ɛne yɛ wɔ beauty wo ba ne yɛ de life tonic account ho ɛno nti adan wo we de yɛ na sesa saa mre beauty na sa wo mo tɔ yɛ hunu sa mpa sɛ nyɛ nku na sɛ yɛ tete sra ne nku no kura tete sra anwumere obasa ahohoro wonim de yete a nete ye di buronya wi abra na me ma wo ebra wa ye buronya ne ma wie no wonim no waka wie no wo de ne ma afefa so no wo huro wie ye no wo de aya ahwe na bra me mo aduane adi wo de no bosome na wo se wonim enwewe ene dankate no ene apoapo no abobo apo no nyina anko mesa de usika ama wo minnim de America if you say collagen na nyankopon odi agunu ya nimu no enu bi ne yede aye future life beauty se ya de mesi bi ne ho afi ne nam kwa mu ba tie bi ebedi buru ya wi ansa na aba na sam ne de se wo ahotutuo no ukotodwe ne usisi ne waposo ene nkasa no a etwitwi kasa no ene girigiri na awe ne de a braname ma repair food eno ne baboa wo nya sa de abonum do no saa eno abekum na me kamfo amaw ya to apete o mamu ba bia enkran ye wo Ghana Telecom University opposite abeka junction ho de no oko police depot wo Cars Estate vie ho ko ho na afi obenya bi wo Palace Mall na wo Flower Pot Spinters Road ubenya bi afi Kaswa ubenya bi Cape Coast Takorade ubenya future life takwa oboase ubenya future life konongo edwoso afijase mampong sunwane akire nsua ehinifa freyan greater commerce nyina so ubenya future life na so frenia ye be kira mo anya bi ye numbers ni 0246 01 another 0150 0246 01 another 0150 0246 01 another 0150 and a number for 0242 878090 0242 878090 0242 878090 and a 0246 010150 ye was sofolai alignment interchange no so ho a wo do ani akere patas no ye was sofolai alignment interchange no so ho a wo do ani akere patas no e ho ne ye wo uduru ba bia busa se future life store no wai eya duane nko an ye ton duane am wadi eno ne boboa wo ebobo da ache ho bai samre abazada ho hia no na wo ma ne mani bi 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 and to why so pesa wo twen onufu bibia bedam ho ya wo hene bibi di dem wo honam ye obasabasa bra na memu aduane ni aduane ba akopɛ your future life. Everybody nhyira
everybody ka ho ya ba che na motene nka no entem so mayene semenza eba Mr. Jotwen komo na dodo na nka nkyere wo se wo hia semenza vital obeka cho se again almost here to sen ade kro na to sen no mko anenim ajwa na what to say ibi aboko ayinti wa no pay
SMS vital herbal mesha ene capsule se just say again to sen ene afa ye pre-care natural powder a Pemsign group of companies are Dr. Amua Edano and a dog edisa enupami ni ede abana doko semen kancho say ni sa kaka krabi na Christmas break na dru so enunti wasa wo ye ntamwa Christmas we ye Operation 442 formation enwa ene edi bronya no okwa oji agan no ensuo ne 4 na waje topa ye 4 na the pre-care natural powder no mienu enso ede aka ho na enim se de prekese emfaso eni nubra anase ahodeni ahodo a ewo prekese nim eno nti ye dia free January ede aba besi December ye nuane aye die eja enru omudi dua eni baabi be fefa ya process ya de preservatives ahodo egu ma ye die egu ni padua mo nti braso se wo se ye detoxify na efi na ekọ ni padua no nyina epia bonte eno ye de pre-care natural powder prekesa powder no na ye sabi edi egu nsuom ne yandom na no pa na eno eyi fi ni kikan bia edi afi ni padua nim ama ye yemada ho na bronya bre yen so yetumi edi aduane ama ye ni age wodi abaya ne se wokwa me si eye 442 formation oje agan no ensuo ne 4 na waje topa ye no so 4 now the ye pre-care natural powder no mienu enso ede account otowie ya frey and numbers no 0244 718 557 0244 718 557 and as 0241 604 702 0241 604 702 na agan no se de di ne setie no agan ne ye ejan so de wo se to a eto se ekokọ ye adwuma no a wasoma ne se enkoye no eno ti na ye ka for Semens Vital Herbal Mixture ene capsules adroi ede amao to se akọ ni paduanim akoyi ya obia ewo sisiye nim ede afri ho ama wo etumi ato sisiye de emema titiru obema se osisiye wo ya wa wonim se emo ama o mema ye no NCP ema de bia no wabo adabrijo na wade no emu ayemre se opese osipi na osita na wade no mu ye den na otumi bo adwuma bronya bre ya me pacho eya gan na wokọ akoto eya 442 formation oji nsuo ne 4 na waje topa ye ne 4 na afa wo de pre-care natural powder no mieno wo de aka ho eboa iziade de afri wo so osisi ya wo ya ema wo ni padua ne nyina eye basade bia me ka cho so osisi no eno na ye center bolt de ma ni padua no sisi yade wo ho a na akotwetwe honam ya waba na afa waposo nyina etutu odi a wo ba ya ne se koto agan no okwa wo so to Semens Vital Herbal Mixture any capsules no waje pre-care natural powder ni bi enso ede aka ho me se eye 442 formation Christmas way Operation 442 push formation any edidi okwa awuji nsuo ne 4 na waje topa ye ne 4 na afa wo de pre-care natural powder no enso mienu ede aka ho oba no ma enkodu bronya break no na bibia aye kama na sisi yade no ama wo to asentini echiw ni nyina afri ho ama won so ho atumi ato mo so ya na monan ya kasa no esifom ene mo nsanso nyina eye moja mote ya wan kasa ewo mu no mo nkoto agan ni bi ebeboa ama eya wo nyina ewo won nsa no wonan so ne mu nyina afri ho nipadua ne mu ya wo ya ontumi na mo ama wo ontumi na mo so nipadua no koda na dua na wo munimuni fa so mo ama ko adwuma mu kura wo ontumi enye active ne nyina oto agan ni bi na wo de pre-care natural powder ne ka ho a mesi ebetu nipadua ne mu ya wo nyina e de afri ho bu ha na chibramo na akasa ena etese eja wan kasa ewom ekwa na afa obi ne hip na akasa ne to honam no na ne ya na taso ne ya sisi ya de no a ena ama ya waba nipadua ne ma atrete kwaji agan ni bi oja no age pre-care natural powder ni bi enso e de aka ho mo so amode no modwo so twa no na ya na de bia mo te se ejaw ankasa ewom obi kwadwo so a wo te se yawo ne dwo so twa no mu ye ne ja gisi wo ka ne sisi so ansa na dwo so na tumi aba obi se ne namfo starting friend na ta papa adan okwadwo so ye no emu apa mienu wo so konyi se wo ba bia be pacho eya wodwo so twa no na yade abam koto Semens Vital Herbal Mixture any capsules again bi me say eye 442 formation oji nsuo ne 4 na waje topa ye 4 na waje pre-care natural powder ne mienu enso ede aka ho ma ne so sisi yade ne ahotutuo mo nyina moto again bi na mono ma ebeboa esiesie nipadua no eyi yaw ne ahotutuo bia enso ede afiwo mo nso a nipadua mu yaw ama watenka te kɔ no menye hye so oba ofra adwuma ko fie na honam ya wo ho na sisi yade wo ho na wodofo ba ho de ni je be hia no me ba chokoto again bi na waje pre-care natural powder no enso ede aka ho esiesie nipadua no sisi ni mu yaw nyina ede afiwo afa ma no so matenka na ate akɔ no a mema no to agyan no mo de ba na mo twe mo to ase no ni nyina oto again bia ebesiesie wo libido no ate kɔ ni nyina ebeba kama ama bibia aye fine oba ma wo glow akasa unipadua ne beye kama wakasa bete se wapom aye den ebehwe menstrual disorder nyina fichikomu yaw nyina ede afri wasabe okwa fichi akankan no eba ni nyina oto agan ni bi na de pre-care natural powder no ewo no ebetu ase ama wo ato odi a wo beya ne se wo sori waka na wakọ pharmacy shop na sa herbal shop e ben wo okwa wo se wo to Semens Vital Herbal Mixture any capsules again oje nsuo ne 4 na waje topa ye ne 4 na afi waje ye pre-care natural powder ne mienu e de ka ho no wafra yen e wo 0244 718 557 0244 718 557 and as a 0241 604 702 0241 604 702 Oko tafo ni road junction PF pharmacy wo ho waje aduro ni bebrede agu ho koto duduro mo ene bako na won so konom kolina keban so ewo Ashtown have me ewo Asafo Fredimens ene Rock Pillar Heban so ewo KO and Crime Repass Ventures or kanshi drug lane aduro no ye de abegu ho bebre Humble Mother so ewo Ashiama Pena Heba wo Cape Coast Jeff Heba ewo Makasim Akobam Heba wo kokko ena Ja Heba so go so yatena ye de yato apete Ghana fana ba bia ye wo to wo dia ne so be frɛ o freya na waka baabia wo na yensu ya kyerɛ baabia wo benya aduro ni bia to 0244 718 557 and 0241 604 702 Semens Vital Herbal Mixture and capsules and pre-care natural powder ya just so say agai eto say
okay obapa ajo nyako nyamen kan ho all right anopai ye to adwumadie ni so na abeja fo no aba de odi kan ba ne na hyase ye nko yanim na ye nko ne sa okay Franco to champo e mo acho now pom to say Edoba dia say na ye hwe ni musa kasken so ba be kan yensa na ya jotwe nkomo anti OSP bill o man pani jo mama kasa ye no mahama ya ga ko yi afri ho Matthew Nyindam yesi olidi wo ayi with 50% as against 46 by mo candidate no now much is still amukotoaba obitima wene
it's possible but
18th in Africa as most developed country. Ghana places 18th.
Sure.
Pay us now unpaid nurses eno na no pay na yedi ho nkoma
right
na meninye uchi me de say kwabra mi ta kando ministry be chokrata say omatua nurses ka na bosome baako na 11 months yadua na nurse foi esum many baako di nkom je sure say utie omo convener also just say 1 month you the hospital also come the kwala
come do
and the government also says there is money Bibia de deja, so why you not paying them? What now wabaya? Maybe 7 no pay.
Why me does I mean chia a teaching an intim be na giant so media na say essential
answer na Mr. My shade mampon asem na koda.
Yes
Mr. Ya my intie kakra enra mampon hima eyi
the occupant of
the occupant they also di ade no yentie kakra
you know mo was an mo better
so we dey na twam so we so obodi di mamo the other one mamo so we na about say won kan bi on one obata ohun we won dey jina ho e won say we dey ba
Professor Akosa
so we catch them Professor Akosa we know
o fata na so hwe oba we na wo so obondi
o si no si na wo fata e we no so my boy what is it good to
Omo ka ho nyina we na oba yo je we na wo so obondi
so o ka ho na to stop ni nyina obi afata bra ma my boy what is it good to I don't say we say you are back abodi
every na nyuma ba say kojo man no no de ya kan see e bodo kwadu
o se say we fere ma ba say we no no bodo de ya kan say we bodo kwadu
the bono kwadu na mo kwadu na to asum ni yi bono na besa yi ni pebio
o se mo kwadu e na to asum ni pebio for dia o no se mo ba for di e da mamo
bono ni pa mi ensa di amamo
o no na ba mi ensa di e da mamo
o ye ni keti a yo ja wono na ke bebo di ato aso
o se mo ye ni keti a se de ya cha di bia mo bono di to asum bia no o no na bi pa mi ensa da mamo
na santiamane
sa ejina ho sa santiamane tie
Muhammad ja se muni bibia tie nipa na wabo ni din no
John
eji muntibi ka bibia anto no so
John
na ja se muni bibia tie
se muni mo jina na nim jabu da hin se muni bibia tie nipa na dia an wa busa mo pelu no da so an wa ma na ko no e di mamu
Boima wani adwa ne mpanyimfo no wo mu eche ya adwene wo mu ha de wabo ni din no onfa ne ma wo mu no mo fa nche mesesi ya so so ni ya so
Because it's a bit part of the or have on the check. When this is Chilom, never sorry, why? Mama say something in no channel. Chilom, what will we do for you? Samuel, order from Anton. For good for the you are so million. About an offer. I'm ready. So that's all of mine.
That's culture at its best.
Yes, it is the idea. Yeah, can I say? Obekwa swear allegiance to his people and officially come to Mesia and swear an allegiance to Asantehene. Na edia ode beba no na ode abekire otumfo say sia no da sebre kwa akura no wono na sia the silver stool occupy.
So we Osebonsu ni title omu nyina afa na say he can choose another.
I don't know.
Osebonsu we na otoso biensa na.
Ai ti yenim so okonkonwa dem a obakofo Osebonsu otoso na afofra. They call the black room honoma.
Ashanti culture is so beautiful.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
So beautiful and so rich.
You see how the kasa ni nyina koda de bia ni ho. Ampo hima yi
the occupant of the
by into ono na ekwa say na ya wa swaya kire ne manfo
no be swaya kire
obi a waba efikasie ma be swaya na du ano no
na ansa no moye na no ye
that's yes
me gidi say I think say Ashantis we have a rich culture.
Oh, beautiful,
and,
so beautiful,
a very respected culture as well. Enya no ja say you free nkuja free kakra o
okay
Asante dwa bia so menya
so ti the friend Frank Otuo champion no Otuo no ho ne free Otuo serebo Otuo champion o an just Otuo okay
papa so dey akwamu hine odwa bin Asante dwa bin
oh papa di akwamu hine
o Asante
say dey otimi di man ye
no be say honya papa aja konyu
anya aja
di asomanya
awu timi di asomanya akunya na
nya asomanya edikro town
utimi di man ye
yes
okay eduru high be
enti Ashantis we have a rich culture me gidi say mpanifo betoto de nhihye begu akwamu na omaginatum na afi obiso a kire manhia na for I think over the past 4 or 5 months another civil record in create no yenya obi ma na ba occupy the silver stool ebeboa ema the people of Mamponso no omo hu say yes aja sabre omo nyomo kandini ana say omo wura omo no beswai ana omo besom no da manhia say da otumfo ase say odi osia yoyo na me gidi say no ma bi say ni man special e man Leslie
in cancer or say bonsu no say bonsu no ho
dada
some pon hima nuano no
oh I see
tini wo fane
do free mo
say bonsu
no free mo no okay
and also omo no in cancer dwamra in cancer dwamra omo ho ti mampa akunwa no aye desikan
everywhere bi ni akoto everywhere
ya ti ono ne wo fane
do free mo
ni wo fa nimpon nyenchen ena mampon hima nua ba ma nimpon
that tradition yentimi twam e wasante matema da se wo fa se e de di ade no mo de ya
da bi yentimi sesa
what else ensesa enti
ebre be ka kire e ma no so omfo omo mamra no de omu dwane
enti no
ena ye nua ma no de omo ma e be di a kire ma
sa enti
ena omo na sesa dynamics no
sa de enti no a long standing tradition
e ma no de omo ma dwane
enti free
omo ye fa etwa omu tinkoji a kire ma omo se da bi ena ye nua ma no de omo ma bae se free on the decision is da bi se mi wu a mi wo fa asini ade eno an to atwa ya wie
anaka ho
ma yenko ada na muntu anese foka
Omanhene me da se ne akonya no pa de ma mi nia keske na ba
keske he wani
seja odu se otu bom bu ma ko otu bom nipa de mpanifo ka bibi se adwumayini bia katua fata no
se no
that's it and so bi be adwuma bosomen dubako ni akire na sabi akatua ne bosomen ba ko pa de ye nyina no we sympathize with them or we empathize with them say omunya botre kakra because me gidi say omampani we nya omampani a sabi ne mu onyono say ubeye adwuma abosomen bako adu bako na akofa abosomen bako paketu ya dey e dem me gidi say bia HSB na aba wo controller ama omo systems and processes are the processing wo market ya no ama no ma bia delay kakra but we give them the assurance say yakwa enim no so ma to say by January yebetua arrears aka bia ma wo mo that's what I'm hearing nti yema you should hold them by their words na yemfa nya rehwemu say yebetua ma wo mo because adwuma din ya na say adwuma nya adwuma ketwa ukọ ho stress a omu go through so that say enye adwuma ketwa so udi agrokra betuna fa yare e wo hospital ho nti yes ye best say omunya rehwemu January na ye ama wo mo no de me gidi say mampani obi a very listening president oka osia oyo nti yenu anom na esefo munya rehwemu say by January busika aka mo bia no ura akando supported by controller no omu beke ko mu ho abom na ja mu kakra wa aka mo bia no so ye de ma de
omo yam je omo say some time ago teachers dey na see and bi na ebe see
ensi because in this day and age technology wo ho then of course ye hwese 2028 elections ye be wini so that say now ukaka said nurse for omo numbers e work country ha na untu omo ka whole 10 months there say you do that at your own peril What you say? Yes, you know, a coin be a befa so be papa be a befa so was it your muka bia no me gidi say. We are to forcing coupled with Ruakando or Moody share probably go up by January night ama woman. Sabi almost I can almost can until best moment strike and be a monko facilities in Unko Jumanaja. A fiasuya ye di brunya immediately say Basabasai Kaka Yari and Kofoba Yari I didn't take us. That is for no ref your munya Jumani Jawmosana, a behadri, behau man. Nti ye be say nyanum nurse for so omunko back to
because are buying a pump 10.6 billion.
It is never true. You can't be aboa
into the economy. And yet employment is zero and nothing seems to be coming out. Couldn't the government have used that money to give employment or create jobs? How do you reconcile that with nurses?
Of course, no government is perfect, Brian. Now, the mechanism says, "Can Omokasa share the economy? What did we do exactly or precisely? The city and the dollar no relationship. And a ma is animal we day. Omanhene city was around 16 cedis to $1.
As of January
7, it was 14 point something. Fine, but we had to do something to sustain the economy. Of course, Ghana is an import-driven economy, and for that matter, a number sabi 50 sukoka ya na asibia na yakra e de ba o ma we mu. Until now we had to intervene. There was a bibi ma edema yakra ba no. Enya a toll on the economy, and for that matter, ban no e de sika ka den ewura mu. Sabi sika no wan fa wasa ne sirem, and wan fa sika na nchama politicians. E economy na ho bra e no de ye den e de boy. But if you speak of unemployment, I think say Oman we idea back one how man we are ban bia wabaso bia the youth unemployment. Of course, a nyuma because say me waba me adwuma na say nyuma idea ne board inside the kra na and am so me adwuma you try me can to make me den ato but official prices are declining na nipa nya adwuma nya dia na e cost 90 because at the end of the day say nyuma na e fo sika na we kota ne way onya adwuma na we sika ye den e de akoto eno nti no wura John Dramani Mahama His Excellency or say no yenya akokon nkete yenya adwuma yenya the 24-hour economy in the yenya lunch there but ebeye yenya enoma ebeboa ma mabunu na den enya adwuma yo of course a priority friend say one of our topmost priorities I was say mabunu Ghana adwuma na den of course Brian they me hu say educational system so has also contributed to the youth unemployment. I say we train white collar job people friends say employees in Kwa yen nyanoma we school various universities tertiary institutions abano there's little they can do to support the economy but be on do say because white collar jobs in Kwa don't fit in we go to the industry they can't fit in so and the educational system I think say we have to do a lot of reforms in our educational system. Other than that ebe continue say maburu enyadwuma nye say obeko 4 years university abetena fi what can you do aside book na kankan na atro na wanya no what can you do with your mind and your skill ban while training as a result of your 4 years training we not training skill bia therefore you be rendered unemployed until media my advocacy has always been that yampani for a lot of reforms in our education such that skill acquisition of skills will be our priority. Young man youth on skills skill training idea a boy economy be a man yanko China yanko Germany yanko US skill training so as a young man mabunu skill we should focus on their technical abilities and not a friend is saying the mental abilities and all that we are doing in Ghana in our educational sector is focused on the youth or mental abilities. What do I say? But the technical abilities, a man in skill, I will be school, or better than in Sunday Nigeria Kabuma, BB, the Abuana. There is none. And a TV at night, I'm fine. Me bought the previous government number, TV, I think said that is where I was a lot of our investment should go. So now you change your mindset and your parents for you change your mindset and say, and your university in Kwana or Kwa, but my baby, Makwarano, San Juma, BB, Maninya, BB, Sabi. That's who I for no one or no about me. I did born home buying on here by Biamoa and I shall run to your POP or Muya Charles or Muya Jessica Omoje. What does here?
so omuntia taxes o.
Omu crampo because you got also to taxes crampo. Hwe na o car say
they don't pay taxes.
What don't pay? O car say now the call.
Yes, omu tax, your friends square meter ho.
Square meter no.
Or just bia 4 bedroom bia.
Sika obejo nya akumtwa. Ntino it's about changing the perception. Say school no and one university. There be that young focusing on the technical abilities of our youth. Betumi ma omun sa no dwuma. Akra ni wiye school betumi anya den. Betumi anya bibia ye. Last year or so senior high school placement in a no. It was surprising to note say technical schools no and nkwara no choose no more KTI.
I told you KTI did na admission crowd
unya.
So it became the hottest.
But hot cake.
But that is a good omen.
Yes.
And the STEM schools, it's a good omen because now the youth is beginning to understand. Say,
becoming
it's
aware.
Not about because now university acquire humanities.
No better fee. Even in the engineering, aerospace engineering, electrical engineering, omuba fee adia in omuba yo. The boy will say, I just say, Okofa roadside mechanic, man. The plug will say, no, Okofa roadside mechanic, friends, electricians, or be fixing man. David, electrical engineer, America, you know, I'm to take work, Katanga, you know, what I say. So, yes, of course, it'll be a home training, any idea, I don't know about going back, it will attachment. So, what I say, how many of them and the year can be my side away? So what I say, you need electrical engineers in the school to take over. Plug aside.
Plug.
No, Porter's Lodge. You are electrical engineer. What you are doing? Then do it. Oh, now I don't want to run a Wusia. So I say, and the education system, I think, say, I know can be the youth unemployment.
I ask myself, why is it that today, KSTU, Kane Poly, humanities doors on change?
There be not technical ones in the doors of change. Say there, humanities not doors.
And I'm going to say, why is it that now humanities at Kumasi Technical University, humanities doors of change?
Technical programs.
The technical programs. Why?
Very bad. Very bad. What is their focus?
Why?
What is it? Focus in any day.
They are making out of it.
Be sure.
Amstead should be having humanities.
Kakrebi.
Appear Menka University of one. At least almost humanities no and now a dorsum. It's understandable.
And the humanities
and a K University.
Lawyers say training
humanities a okay university.
It doesn't change the technical engineering programs.
I mean, you ask yourself, you are almost losing focus.
They've lost focus. Focus of the university and the so about 20 people. Give
Germany today because of their polytechnics. So.
Yes, skill training. Give them skill so that when they
China,
come out,
all of them,
the society, and now University or running humanities program, China, all the other engineering programs.
Now MBA Sika with you for
UCC, UDS, UHAS. What are we doing to ourselves? Unemployment. Yes.
Bekakana humanities doso
so what I say and now vice president to go I think no more graduation as what kind of saying you don't only need the skill. I think it was below the belt.
Vice president.
Yeah. Also you don't only need the skill. Hey, in this era. You don't only need the skill. Theoretical engineering I don't know. But skill no.
Well, maybe I don't know patch. But maybe akwala bi also awunya kase you don't only need the skill that don't trim.
That's it. Only need the skill.
Akwala bi on the no skill now nya kase nya no kwa na ohia no de o kaka ho no wonti o.
That's it. So until for me
kase bi wa kwala na ne ka no ne understanding no. And so any the way obeti I digress asem no. So, you don't even say it.
Because all this while our focus has been say young kwala skill training say dey be abontia government intervention in bebre you focus
on MBT and I swam
hano ko hwe ni mo ye
amoda de buy
yeguso so that say enunti na adwumawura na bankwara no mo hia 1 million coders program ya fa babru no bebre aye tete wo mo information technology wo interested no ya ma wo mo sa ntete ye no nti minim say aban bia no right now the number one problem facing Ghana is youth unemployment. And for that matter, your efforts should gear towards, giving the youth jobs. So, and police and military which we need power apply. Military. And now so man quarantine so they almost really would you say if they had received skill when they were in school and could be back I could converge that grounds was a chinchina meko soja. There be more skill, me POP, me auto mechanics, me television setter. And Kasabi coming call some a friend is a military. So, and it's a honor yatuna jemu as a minor, the Majidi say, you're a John Doman Mahama, the egg can come ye ding on what to be. You have my attention in Coho. Your education, a lot of reforms, particularly the University of Science and Technology. Correct law students I work in university. Be satellite campuses. So NBA be satellite campuses be why engineering. Oh, me I've never liked law since some others. All right, bro. Youth employment in there. Bad in the morning, my morning and you know I was saying I play your role now. All right.
Dr. Keskin. I'm also one no cry when you blisters be careful.
Me am shame and me person me can with you quickly. Obekaya nan saying na a year the EP national head no eba Ashanti region. And oku a year China for sure beer omo year omo produce champagne. Okay, guys ask him no. And you have to closing it down. Only say for about 2 weeks now, the shop has opened and is operating again. I'm at Joy News are reporting. So I was asking myself, I'm going to close here. I operated for about 2 weeks. So Joy News are reporting a story, and I was surprised. Let me someone saying, Regional Minister Dr. Frank Omanhene. Apart from so they TikTok has been it. They being panway. No. Let me say it. I'm serious about this. Because I want to say me without a clearance from any of your friends and regional agencies. National kwenye problem. But so omo produce champagne, you say champagne higher. They've been operating for about 2 weeks now. Emma Joy News are reporting. And nobody has Obianka wants him. Yeah. EPA boss.
They will only allow it if the certain things are put in place.
Certain things, to whom I was asking. Certain things there because they are still producing champagnes.
And the champagne is destroying our.
I was talking about this. A baby sick galamsey in some of your council. It's not me question me. We say, Regional Minister, what has he been doing? Regional Security Coordinator Kwame Jabari, NDC Vice Chair. Do you remember no Mudore Taxoba? Alaji Injemone, all the other people. They just sleeping on their jobs. Because I want them say now, let me share Unia Erastus. Name me why. What him say, Manso area no maybe a galamsey one. Say, Sas, I stand you. Unam bebia na wo drive. Now say galamsey wa kwan bia. Na say obi a wo tumi wa ban mu e na dia. Because we need influence now. There is no way so big at the ball so okay mining. Oh kwan. Okay galamsey o kwan. Na say na guy back window ye boa. They know a democracy hub for guy no and why Rasta Odu Trecha MPP galamsey then no. What because say Chairman Kutu NDC constituency chairman. Or you or two galamsey o kwan pay. Then ya no.
No wonder na
or make allegation say regional minister and so two galamsey ni bi no. I may say no later also we'll see for defamation. But it wouldn't stop us from getting to the bottom of it. Regional minister set up. If say on kan bia adena say na be say what sound man see. Me tell say enye ye. Me wunya regional minister mani age. Because when you as young man no or some me nya ye tim kan say be a young man. Because they be an kokra for the more Ashanti region. So you have to set up. You are sleeping.
Okay.
Senior, on this matter, me tie next for no. Now, me did say me nua etie next for the press conference now. Kobo say the major problem omo wo no the dishonesty of the minister, any ministry for no officers no. Abra omo ye omo first process no. Later ministry no release statement. So omo tu omo ka. Omo ko hwe say omo tu bi mu 1 month pe. out of 11 months.
Omu nyina akra. Ebi kra
enya bi. Etobi a wabe o ye tu omu ka de beto abonten. No omu beko no mbeko akwhwe na 20 pa no 1 month pe no. Was the ministry any minister no sincere? They were not. I can't don't think James on your salary. So on your crowd don't think James allowance say wo rent na as for electricity as on tua. Land cruiser so buy so much mama no. And so when you pay your juma, you have to be sincere. Meaning, scano yentimi tua. These are the difficulties. But oba me catch us me tua o November. Na November no mba, na bi munya na 1 month pa. Na so boss no this one as well so.
The nurses say they had an arrangement with them. Say ombetia omo November 1 month. Na omo ne omaye payment plan.
Yeah.
Now their contention is as at ene the ministry and nobody is sitting down with them.
The ministry is quiet.
Plan.
And the bad faith woman.
Now quiet to say
Crocodile John.
or to 1 month ne body count no 2
Sure.
because almost just by 31st December. Now clearance no
extended clearance no.
What they have to do is just say
yes, I can be 6 months.
New clearance.
New clearance. 1 year no on year o maketua. And no na ma mo yam to show mo say.
What you say? And
what shall share wo mo na say.
So the ministry is not showing leadership. Akando is not showing leadership. Now only obi here adwuma. Oh ya arrangement tia me baako kwanyo obi ade ne baaye. Extended clearance I will say nyan no. These are people who recruit you I think around 2014. Oma ya adwuma. Oba beto ye o na back and forth be tua ye ntua be yima di mote sanse ni nyina. Aba be do sa time we na etua ne kan November nko abi mu nsa nka bi. Na se clearance o munya ye no ma clearance ne ya da ho ma clearance na agu by 31st December. They just say minister no any ministry no they are acting in good faith. No mu yasaka so afi ne copy clearance. Na kwa back and forth na je be si nso anka nshoma. So the minister is sleeping on his job. Now enye nurses ni nko
Teachers
also.
Somebody sent me a message. Also almost 1 month.
Yeah.
After working for 11 months.
Yes. And recently there's a reporter a young man so mo adom ne adesoma ready and kofo aye mo teacher appointments effect for 25,000. Omanya teacher appointments so but they effect 25,000 cedis. Director General for Ghana Education Service and an such as was sign letter some. San semwe kwaswa. Na woni mabunu na ni. Na ni mabunu na ni. It issues are ekoso ekoso. Ye kukuru mponi ni ebeswa. Na no busa an intelligent question. You are spending a year 10.6 billion. You see, injecting into the economy just to support the city. The question is, what 10.6 billion? I acquire me for $3 billion. We're $10.6 billion, right? So what you should know in a different way in a productive sense, also who the impact on the economy. Economy now injected 10.6 billion in 2024, no, and by 5.7%. The injected says we are shemu no, and by just 4.8%. It reasonably question we say we inject shemu at the den. Na mini as when abino nkokon nkete and zero productivity na dia so far. In the whole of 2025, one day I can't daba kwame ko read 2026 budget. And I'm launching nkokon nkete. What nkokon dey say? One am bodin nkokon ni biama no. Ebio otie na asemos adwumawura abra ye push you out to force and say on spend this car on adwumawura. And we release a list. On the fellows of Fosukwachi. Said must spend 31.5 million cedis and 27 million cedis respectively on a Jumara any apprenticeship program. No, make sure why not the first beneficiary? One beneficiary go Ghana. Say Jumara no. A home beneficiary ni. Me won't be able to change now.
Maybe for logistics and
in Kwan Bank 31.5 million. Logistics in Bank 27 million. And there's a could be a whole new agency. I say NEIP ase. It says can most spending on day. Most spending on day. It's more fancy names. I'm going to tell you, and I am Mustafa. Ebio also 1 million coders program. Who's even the 2026 budget? Didn't mention 1 million coders program. mo de to ndwom a mun training nipa akopempo nipa akwa bakra mun training bi mo se 24-hour economy mo ka tell say 133 say adwuma ba ko nipa miensa shift miensa nya sa na also munyan lanche 24-hour economy. Even the confusion around 24-hour economy. In one breath, so only buying the document there, who beside the leader of government business in parliament, Mama Yargo, so there be, if I expect to buy the document to parliament, there's going to be nothing like that. It means say, Omo can class akwa. And the second year muno mabikoyo. Second year mabikum the budget omo year for 24-hour economy in a 2026 budget, just 110 million. Which is less than a year, friend say.
The Tano says you need 4 billion.
4 billion. It is 110 million. No, what the friend say dollar no cry 11 cedis. That's $10 million. It's less than 0.02% of scar. You hear the 24-hour economy. No. It's now we are Ghana Babunu and I what to try and say. And this Yabai and John Mahama, they were serious about 24-hour economy. Like we told you during the election period, it was a joke of a century. Because what I would see the functionality of the state. Now would see a political economy as Sibiano. You would know say the normal cano. Say the truth and send any sending. Me know yes argument say oh for them. Anna Dr. Aye NDC communicator no. I wasn't surprised after that when to make any rebuttal on the subject. Because you know be your chance or tears and CBI dim koma. Look at you say you don't build an economy based on artificial demand. In fact, senior ebio what do you say a year economy ya ye share ni mu adwuma semi nyama NDC aban so be in the next budget ni na o kan ni na abonwa o say the input e ba be kan growth ayenya we 0.1%. afi we na wanya sa ne man wanya national apprenticeship wanya adwumawura wanya 1 million coders one budget for 24-hour economy wanya nkukon nketenkete ni nyina no economy ni nyina at 4.8%. The next year also be sani mani nyina no economy ni be nyina at 4.9%.
This year economy 5.5.
There 5.5. You are talking about the third quarter growth, but overall growth 4.8 as projected. And must have projected say about the next year be nyina at 4.9% after sani ma we nyina. The question me be sani say tie nyuma be pana mo democracy. And that brings me to TVET in sense no. See there. This budget omo read here, it never mentioned TVET anyway.
It never mentioned what?
TVET, yeah, just can say this is a plan for TVET.
As in technical vocational education.
Yes, ebinim. And I was surprised. In the first submission, I'm already by the year was that if say a person reforming education, near person ko encourage nyansa no nyuma a ombetim dia betre jom na so a. The government needs to show leadership. Nyama no MPP aban eye TVET and we are kono ya this term sense by no. We are expecting say can this government would have taken it to one other step. Say by ye schools 20 must only TVET schools way there ora na pony adu tum and education ministry no. Ya fa 40 account because say ya per se change the focus of education. So asma na kanya no ya adwen. Only say the government no any wo onya adwen. Because skill ma twa to am be so mo de bo man ho bra no. Oma mba TVET scam TVET adwin dia memu esi a person ko fo kweti nyuma ko fo so ansa no nyuma sere ne aka ni nyina na says can no aban ko fa no ifa but the government never planned for it menim say media review budget no and obedwe ho de no aka ho dia but looking at a year budget here that way no clearly no there's a certain focus on sa ne na ekoso na humanities na nothing more nothing less. Now let me deal with the other issue about reform of education.
Now I'm fair and
Senior, did he kindly say institutions will bring elusu track, which is very true. Because we wouldn't a technical institute. I say humanities are dominating. Is it the case say or more bet that technical program no? Or money honum. You're training humanities for sa ama your mindset about humanities in Guan.
Yeah, so it's like manpower is not available. The technical advance, the human resources is lacking.
If it is lacking, we need to deliberately train people to fit in. We need a certain level of SWOT analysis, a comprehensive analysis of what is happening. Anybody, a person Ghana drew in the next 5-10 years. Near we say this human resource now. How do we create them today? How do we create them today? Do I maybe one new get one my way, ma? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Offer a technical institute like Kumasi Technical University. Now, course is 80%. Humanities. Why? A yet Ken University. No more yet any ma. Gonna the days. No more year maybe. But say, pardon a bit, make say a technical university are producing in the last 60 or 70 years. The research must also feed into industry. Now, baby honum, brah. Now,
boaf.
Yenya akwanya kakra eko school ego abucha.
Boaf for car.
Boaf for car we need to build on it. Can we improve on it? Even Benz. Or my C class. Or my new models. I build on it. So my a very fine model. Point I'm making it. I'm afraid be capstone project.
Yeah.
Oko krobi to say no way na sefo. PhD positions. Ye fama kwa. Omo issues so more problem with. Even from their parliament and other places no. And omo advertise as a PhD position. Etu be we final work no e beja tum no. Na go straight into implementation. Let's solve the problem. But you dey sanity. Odo ba bi say Canada. Now we call UBs we am masters for public policy. You fit be capstone project. And yes, what be thesis so there be any thesis so. Only a client had the problem back. Now as a policy student no. What was survey? No what presenting our home your busa questions clients na so lecturers na so students na so obi atata obi. Who you as like Sompa now you master of public policy and global affairs your certificates. We need them a practical. But the man I warning na thesis no be akwa komo obi no bakwa to no atwama no. Near man masters. Obi we cannot propose according to. And that is where the problem is. Oh, young for Mutro.
Omugo.
Open the man of a trauma.
Project work.
But come the AI quadrant.
Calculate your amounts.
What I say. So as a people, no, I believe say the government must show leadership. And as a very formal education, a year or how you do so when they say a human question is in so. As a otnasi beyond the normal near manner cosuna, free SHS as seven and headmasters could tell you and then what they want to and unnecessary issues and a wow team your fool betray as a thing addition. So a private school bray a goofy it's young near differently. To me, I made the say MBP also no. Your shares active aspects no, but we didn't do enough. There is more room for improvement. What I say, some coders programming at a point no. Na yeah, can say. I say to me incorporating it into the curriculum. Sure. Because so many school, maybe no IT never really as you. In the next 5-10 years, it's anya what did it should be a compulsory subject. No, bien so be for home. What person later taking on with my hardware, software. You know, those clubs here creating a school. It should be a basic necessity. What do China say a basic?
Oh, chere wa, obetimi
then I'm unya a year Libya dinkomo, Libya boga. O making submission be one of me post here. Me post it sending na any attraction page no. More on Facebook sending me a message from Facebook. So now I qualify to monetize my page. Libya a comment to.
Me kai.
The comment about electricity bill and water bill no.
Aye.
And I'm a first master. It's a comment to me run say. And now one creative page and for animal could go a bit younger. What Babusano? It's somewhat that basic skill now. There are people who are making millions just by talking. Obi say a year yenya acquire Kenny Jonas. We saw Ode Atamkwa. Ode Ataming na Facebook, YouTube, na TikTok chanika. Kevin Taylor, they know the Atamen this for coordinate. It's more than just attraction is come on. Where is so party? You need to business no more. But only the know-how, better crown away.
Okay.
To Mestre, Minister of Education on city up. Now, Ora Candon, so Unjai, Jumedi, Bana, and Basabasano.
Okay, maybe I just say, Obi Wahanuma, Ope, Juma, I look at Ope Dine, staff of Sompa, Open away here, Pancrono, any Meduma. Oberfre 0276 369 494. 0276 369 494 agent. I'm actually days in town. Nyami Adma on the 28th December, Mickley Hotel. A legacy night with DK events. yɛato nsa afrɛ na ne champon kwabena ɔhene bɛkɛsi fameyɛ ɛna samini 50 years in music with Abranti Amachi the day. Obetimi atɔ wo ticket 700 Ghana VIP standard 500 300. Now be say auto online star 713 star 33 star 50 hash star 713 star 33 star 50 hash. Makeley Hotel 6 p.m. sharp. Shannon so the Banachai Clinic ye be your ultra modern state of the art building any your office on the 4th of January Brofedu Kumasi Kenya si Brofedu Bosore Junction and he said so forth now you be all manner of scan labs and ya but see idea you go so aye juma second floor well last towers the cham so na 4th January and you be moving and say also fabre heart related challenges akoma ho nsem ne awo ho nsem a fabedan dimpa frɛ 0245 1184 34 0245 1184 34 and 0246 744 744 21st clinic sciatica pains awukomu sciatica manihunu dia and 21st clinic we have the expert bra the FBB draw kind machine treatment massage lab and scan service near fan show or to us here twitching on ever wall no or na titi no a sciatica bra na yem show 0540311311 0540311311 Sister Kitty Glamour and Wardrobe I'm baby items in Yinada your back to school items pregnancy list they call casual clothes ladies clothing men's clothing and shoe jewelries, occasional wear, formal clothing, children clothing, shoes, knee bags, knee accessories, I would draw a mema bags, no name pub wide shirts, no BBB was Sister Kitty Glamour. It's a family shopping. I hold you at Tinga Junction, Omni Basic Bank, anything share anymore. And I could pay more. I in San Francisco, China Mall, baby at Dormaster 0245 749199 0245 749199 99 na bibi anko Kingdom Heba center ye will Kanshi drag lane na eba Kingdom garlic capsules my immune system ho ya dem stroke pressure hypertension cholesterol ni nyina na eye free ho na moje di mo frusane kama afei ye will tremendous capsules tremendous ekon ebo eba womo eba ho ban sonko menstrual disorders no bad odor vaginal infection ni nyina da efri ho afei near your friend or Kingdom Ginseng and no your bemadro my bema CPC tantrini ye juma and my wife say yes about juma ye shedding so Kingdom 0559 761 144 0559 761 144 all drag and pharmacy shops bia heba shop bia benyabi St. Andrews SHS says why we wasi on sorry no subjects back mienu bi wantwa emane ha brand be enrolli St. Andrews is the best private senior high school in Ghana at the moment with excellent boarding facilities general arts general science business home economics visual arts agriculture science wasi for su man kesim so be hu ya dun kono fe say you asanyo so ni odu bi ase fa obane bra na yemfa mfanya misro mu ne entete no no nsa nyansa no dwuma 0244696911 0244696911 Yas toothpaste and toothbrush you twitwi esende near the total care preventive cavities tooth decay plaques building up nyina be free ho variant no so the toss way whitening toothpaste e ma osia twafita fe herba no so ma osi ho ayedin your brushes be princess monarch dew duchess and kiddie brushes ahodo a ebora udodom twitwiri osi eye eno an say Yas toothpaste Yas toothbrush na bibia ekoso na yakoye nima anisa Kengen and magic drinking water esukrogen abujunsuo ewo rich mineral like calcium potassium magnesium and iron odofoi bra na enum bia obenya bia to wo Breman UGC Tafuni Road Abawa Route Junction Ghana all the 16 regions Kengen wo hold the answer obe friend near direct 0241 449191 0241 449191 na bibia akoso Golden Dew Hotel the big party no yashasi o 14th in the Nyagro all white party 16th December eno ne no dear friend carnival and a pig party golden dew your boss on carrier national health insurance dining dish and mupe bouncy castle from 23rd to 1st January and no susu trim African wear buffet and no live band any cocktail 26th December now 28th in there last meet Oforian Ponsa kwaku smoke any live band to abrana be ju anyone no dofo na fireworks to us on the 30th basu golden deal hotel premises in carrier yene national health insurance didn't hear anymore fresh 0543 553 793 0543 553 793 okay and hey Patricia Frimpoma Wua senior house mistress of Agric and Sema Senior High School also star Regina Sa CMA Trinkwa Patricia Frimpon Wua. Okay, today's your birthday. Honorable Dr. Gideon Boakye, MP for Tano North constituency. Happy birthday to you from Sompa TV Morning Show crew. Nana Kwesichre, former assembly member Twanse from Asante Eboa of Sompa TV. Nana Kwesichre, Wawodeni Asante Eboa Somo Trinkwa. Stella Amoa, Yefro Adjoabo Atima, CEO of Happy Family Enterprise. Asante Aguna. Uni Akye Abia of Sompa Somo Trinkwa. To my lovely husband Nana Kwesi Champo, Omanhene of Asafo. Oh, okay, now go see. From your wife, Nanayere Awo, and Ebusiani Yamatinqua. My sweet sister Linda of Atebu, Honorable Lord Inusa, former MC of Tano Tafo Municipal, Lord Inusa say Linda of Mautinqua, or Atebu. Okay. To my lovely daughter Angel Ampana of Yaps International School, Moshizongo. Omame Martina or so Motinkwa. Elvis Amwaku Jamra, I was a Corey Mampon, Obedam Ponsasio Motinkwa Sompa. Okay, wrapping up, what do you have to say? Your time, also.
I think the issue of unemployment today, which is the number one problem of this country. I was a buying beer or baby beer and no target. Other than that, the governance will be very unpleasant for you. And until there should be a paradigm shift. I was a educational system no. Because China, Germany, US, Italy, the technical skills and I'm more minor to point because without you manufacturing, without you inventing, it is practically impossible for you to transform your economy. So I say, I don't know for free because at least no will be beer, nenka bit not happy. Idea boy transforming or minor. But it's not too late. Omanhene bet me, I'll refocus your attention on the technical abilities of our youth. Now, the skill training. No, the youth unemployment, as what? Inti kakra me no. Ya ben na. Say your country humanities in law no dia. Be kakra no. When we are lawyer a few BM lawyer to be able to asem. Now, I am focusing on the technical abilities of our youth. I remember one.
Okay. Qu'est-ce
Still now on youth unemployment. Oh yeah, the NDC ran a very robust campaign on.
What be your mic now?
I'm running a very robust campaign on youth employment and youth unemployment. So far, they've not been able to show much for it. A year 133 you go so train maybe 133 no time remember. A year a Juma run you go so train. A year national apprenticeship you go so train. 1 million code you go so train. Female bank no, a ma bank no you go so train. Women's development bank you go so train. Promises not draw so. Say Juma na be draw so. But Juma no omo mo ye Juma no create me to omoka. Ye nko be fa so to omoka. What you say? Omo say recruit to omo ma school we ni kra no. Ye promise teachers for no ye automatic posting. Ye hu ye. Ye promise nurses automatic posting. Who videos na mabunu ni bi bunko to dwe obi so awie school all these years yan fa no. Ti assurances are the president John Dramani Mahama the man mabunu no during the campaign ahead of 2024 no. So far they only be up to standard. And I think so some 3 years said than him. Even though 3 years no, I don't see much, especially reading their budget for 2026 no. I wish him well. Now you're saying say on set up. So far he's sleeping on the job.
Okay. I was here for I am not sleeping. I'm awake. And on the note of sleeping on the job, we say thank you for joining us. Tomorrow, God willing, is Kawasem. We'll come your way. Now, they also the Tuja Bians, so they are Tuja. We're going for Christmas, getting ready. Just be prepared. Say, over to near me. And that is 16th. I want you any system, Missy Casuni.
I want you to say,
Say, I want you to change now. The amount of the 2 Abetia on the Swati. But she can you.
But some results can go for Zutu.
The
point I'm making prices, Ebiakostro. Vault class for them say the price cost.
But price seems so from but and what from no yet the do na.
And a money say I know can send boba from. O matter so 5 kg about 4.2 nasifo. That's true. It's a we dey even say number born cost.
Rice no. Be 4.5 and 5 kg.
And 5 kg be e dey so
I 4.2.
It's about for my make sense.
But what quantity so no what so
calipo o matter quantity so na ne bo no e sim be sim to be say bianco so. But scan we dey koto na ni ubotom. It's an ahote na eden.
Ato you are not forcing so force.
The budget no we read was what 62 billion Ghana cedis and every so we are feeling it. Any I would say right there.
Ato you are not forcing. They told us you were forcing, but Pastor Bronya, you are not forcing.
No, he's not forcing at all.
Ato you are not forcing. Please force. Force na ye bre. I want for years ka Bronya we say mo is slow do. Omanhene Bronya ni why? Man for very good.